Assalamu alaikum. In today's class, we will see how ChatGPT will generate a quiz page for HTML. And let's see. We start with a question to generate HTML code of making a 10 MCQs based quiz page on topic basics of computer. When we ask this question, HTML give us this code, and we will use this code to execute and get the output of this code. So let's copy this code. We'll get the copy of this code from here, and we go to another page. Now this web page, in this web page you can copy HTML code and get its output. So let's see, we will get the output of our code from here. Now let's execute. Now here is the output. You can see first option, the second option, third option, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, submit, and I got 10 out of 10. Hope you will understand how to use ChatGPT to generate HTML code for your quiz page. In order to learn programming in HTML and ChatGPT, please subscribe my channel to get more programming videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.